Welcome to the CONS3RT Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at containers and container images. A container is a unit of software that allows you to bundle up code and its various dependencies in order to create an application that can run quickly and independently in any computer environment. Each container has a container image, which is a standalone executable package that includes all the essentials needed to run the containerized application. You can find container images under the asset library. These can be added to your systems much like an application. And there are two methods for adding container images. The first is to use the container builder. We recommend this, especially if this is your first time working with containers. From here you can select either use a remote container registry, or you can load your image from a tar archive. We will be using the first option. Provide a name and optionally a description. Now provide the image name and the image tag so that when CONS3RT goes to find it, it knows which version of the image to grab. If you do not specify a tag, it will grab the latest version. Select Finish, and you have become the proud owner of your very own container. The other method will look very similar to those of you who have imported assets. And if you'd like to review that process, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Select I have an archive with a properties file. Here we have a container asset that I have previously downloaded. Now compress these into an archive.zip file, and be sure assets.properties is at the top of that before you compress anything. Then simply drag and drop this .zip file into this window. Give it some time to process, and you have added to your gallery of container images. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the CONS3RT Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit our help site, which contains articles that cover these topics and more. And in the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.